Do you know any deity coming out of the temple to meet devotees from all walks of life, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion? Rath Yatra is that kind of festival where the Lord Jagannath with his brother and sister go on a chariot journey to celebrate equality. More than million people gather at Puri, Odisha to witness and be a part of this magical journey. Let's learn more about Rath Yatra. What is Rath Yatra and when it is celebrated? Ratha means chariot and Yatra means journey. Rath Yatra is a very unique festival. In this festival, three deities Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are seated in three chariots. The chariots are dragged by devotees for 3 kilometers. The journey begins from Lion's Gate of Sri Jagannath Temple to Sri Gundicha Temple. More than million people congregate in Puri for celebration. Rath Yatra is celebrated each year on Ashadha Shukla Ditiya or during June-July time frame. Let's know more about Rath Yatra. The deities stay in Gundicha Temple for 7 days and perform their return journey to Sri Jagannath Temple on 9th day. The return journey is called Bahuda Yatra. Traditionally, Rath Yatra is celebrated across Odisha state. ISKCON has popularized Rath Yatra across the world. Nowadays, Indian community across the world celebrate Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra is celebrated in cities like Chicago, New Jersey, London, Los Angeles and Melbourne. How are the chariots made and when the chariot construction starts? Each year, the construction of the chariots starts on Akshaya Tritiya. Wood for chariot construction are collected from the Daspala forest in Nayagarh district. To meet the demand of the wood each year, a project called Sri Jagannath Ban Prakalpa or Jagannath Forest Project started in year 2000. Let's know more about Puri Rath Yatra. What are the names of three chariots? Jagannath's chariot's name is Nandighosh. Balabhadra's chariot's name is Taladhwaja. And Subhadra's chariot name is Devadalana. Each chariot is built with high precision based on their specification. Sri Jagannath Rath Nandighosh is covered with red and yellow canopy. The height of Nandighosh chariot is approximately 44 feet 2 inches. The chariot has 16 number of wheels. 832 pieces of wood is used in chariot construction. The charioteer or Sarathi of Nandighosh is Daruka. The name of flag is Trailokya Mohini. There are 4 horses and their names are Sankha, Balahaka, Sweta and Hardaswa. The rope used is called Sankha Chuda. Balabhadra's chariot name is Taladhwaja. Taladhwaja is covered with red and green cloth. The height of Taladhwaja is approximately 43 feet 3 inches. The chariot has 14 wheels. 763 pieces of wood is used in chariot construction. The charioteer or Sarathi of Taladhwaja is Matali. The flag name is Unani. The name of horses are Tibra, Ghora, Diga Sarma, Suamanava. The rope used is called Basuki. Subhadra's chariot name is Darpadalana or Devidalana. Devidalana is covered with red and black cloth. The height of Devidalana is approximately 42 feet 3 inches. The chariot has 12 wheels. 593 pieces of wood is used in chariot construction. The charioteer or Sarathi of Devidalana is Arjuna. The flag name is Nadambika. The name of horses are Rochika, Mochika, Jita, Aparajita. The rope used is called Swarnachoda. The king of Puri, Gajapati, performs a service on chariots. After that only the chariots move. What is this service called? Chhera Pahara. The Gajapati sweeps the chariots using golden broom and sprinkles sandalwood water. This ceremony stresses on the dignity of labor. There is no task which is low or high in the eye of the Lord, and the king, by performing Chhera Pahara, seeks to emphasize this value. The idols of Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra are carried by servitors from the temple to chariots. What is this procession called? The Daitapati servitors are said to be the bodyguards of the lords in Jagannath temple, and they carry the idols to chariots in a procession called Pahandi Vijay. The idols are carried manually by Daitapatis to the chariots during Pahandi Vijay in following order: Madan Mohan, then Sudarshan, and Balabhadra, Subhadra, and Jagannath. The beautiful flower crowns are called Tahiya. How the chariots move to the destination. People drag the chariots on the Badadanda or Grand Street one after another by pulling the ropes attached to the chariots. The chariots move in following sequence: Taladhwaja, Darpadalana, Nandighos. If the chariots for some reason can't finish the journey on time, they are left on the road and complete the journey the next day. People believe that they can obtain salvation by seeing the Lord in chariot. Rathe tu Vamanam drushtva punarjanma na bhavati. The English word Jagannath is originated from the huge chariot of Jagannath pulled during Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra, one of the oldest and grandest festival of India, is a celebration of humanity. It promotes equality, brotherhood, and harmony by including people irrespective of their caste, creed, and religion. Plan to visit Puri at least once during Rath Yatra to witness magic in action. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon to get notification on our latest videos.